Alright guys, so I have a deep dark secret. My kitchen may look like it's always clean, but it's not. It's really not. I don't know if you can see everything up there. This is my spice cabinet. It's ridiculous. I love Dollar Tree stuff. So I picked up this Dollar Tree organizer and nothing stays on it. Everything falls. It's just flimsy. It's awful. So I picked up this deluxe 5 times stronger spicy shelf, and hopefully this will help me keep my spice cabinet better and I can actually find things quicker. But for right now, I'm gonna get everything out so I can see what I have, and yeah, let's just speed this on up.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie, and today's video is actually a collaboration with my friend Chelsea. So when you are done with my video, I want you to go over and check out her channel. She makes cleaning videos, and I have been following her since I started in October. So I will leave a link in the description box below, and I will also link her up in the cards so you guys can go over and tell her I said hi. I always like seeing you guys go support the people that I support. I'm all about supporting other women, uplifting other women, and creating this sort of awesome bond between all of us YouTube mamas. So make sure you go over there, make sure you say hi, make sure you subscribe. She does great stuff. Alright, so here is the shelf assembled in my spice cabinet. I thought I was recording when I was putting it all together and I was explaining exactly how to do it, but apparently it didn't record, but it was really easy. These are the spices that have run out of date and I'm throwing away. And all of these I am keeping, so let's go ahead and put those up there. So excited to see if this actually helps my spice cabinet become more efficient. I'm all about efficiency, and before it was always a hot mess. I could never find the spices that I wanted. Stuff kept falling out, so I'm really excited to see if this actually helps and I can find things better. Yeah, I'm excited. This is actually my problem cabinet. The kids just shove everything in there. One of the shelves broke, but I will fix that. And yeah, all those hand towels and mittens were in there. I guess my kids threw them in there instead of putting them away. Putting them away where? I have no idea. I'm going to get some command hooks and put them on the inside of the store to hang the oven mitts. That way we can get to them better. so relieved that this cabinet is organized again. I don't know why I let things get so bad. I think it's because I can shut the door and not look at it, but I get frustrated every time I grab something. This is my Lazy Susan. I use this all the time, every day, constantly. I use those white tubs from Dollar Tree to kind of corral everything and organize everything. That helps, like everything has a place type of thing, even though right now I need to go through it because I don't think all those Tupperwares has lids to it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go through all those and consolidate and make it a little bit more useful. Yay, all organized again. In my opinion, my Superwear drawer isn't that disorganized, so I'm just going to put a few things back where it belongs. I use these Dollar Tree baskets to kind of corral my measuring cups and kitchen items and things like that, and put a couple spoons and forks back in their correct spot. But other than that, this drawer looks fine to me, so I'm going to move on to my dreaded appliance cabinet. This is where everything goes today. A shelf broken there as well. So I just gotta take everything out and reorganize. And I think I'm gonna leave my KitchenAid out again. I put it under there because I felt like it clogged up my counter space, but I want to keep it out and use it more to make breads and cookies and a lot of baking. So I'm going to keep that out on the counter from now on. Don't forget to go check out Chelsea's channel. I will leave that in my description box below and up in the cards. If you enjoyed this video, if you got some cleaning motivation from this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I also make my Ray Done series every single Sunday.